Hello children, nice to meet you in your Max online class. Are you all happy? Yes, okay. Play well. At the same time, you give important for your studies also, okay. Now, we are going to learn about expanded form and shortest form, okay children. So listen carefully. Now we are going to learn about expanded form and short form, okay. So expanded form. What is the meaning of expanded form? எக்ஸ்பாண்டட் விரிச்சு எழுதுறது சரியா நம்ம ஒரு நம்பரை என்ன செய்ய போறோம் விரிச்சு எழுதுறது தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் எக்ஸ்பாண்டட் ஃபார்ம் ஓகே when we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit that form of the number is said to be the expanded form okay when we write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit that form of the number is said to be the expanded form okay 100 listen carefully children 100 what is the expanded form of 100 that sorry for example 110 okay how do you write this in expanded form so the 1 tens 100 100 1 tens 1 that is 0 ones okay so that's why 100 plus 10 plus 0 so you add this 100 plus 10 110 so same meaning உன்னோட 110 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் விரிச்சு எழுதும்போது 100 plus 10 எழுதலாமா இல்லையா 100 plus 10 is equal to the answer is 110 so 100 is the place value of this one okay so 100 plus 1 tens plus 0 ones so when you write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit okay place value oda sum means total addition இது எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து ஆட் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வரும் 110 for example 251 now what is the expanded form 200 yes 251 means 200 plus 50 plus 1 how 1 tens 100 200 so the place value of 2 what is the place value of 2 200 what is the place value of 5 5 tens what is the place value of 1 1 ones so when we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட place value நம்ம add பண்ணி எழுதுறது தான் என்னது expanded form okay children so that's why 251 means 200 plus 50 plus 1 okay ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட என்னது place value ஓட sum தான் நம்ம என்ன எப்படி எழுதுவோம் expanded formல எழுதுவோம் okay when we write a number as a sum of the place value of its digit that form the number is said to be a expanded form okay for example now you come to thousands place okay what is the expanded form 7525 how do you write in expanded form 7000 okay what is the place value of 7000 okay 7000 plus 500 1 tens 100 500 what is the place value of this 2 tens okay 1 tens that's 2 tens means 20 plus 5 ones so 5 so now you add this all 7525 okay now you add 5 2 5 7 so your answer is 7525 so 7000 the place value of 7 plus the place value of 5 plus the place value of this 2 and the place value of this 5 so the sum of the place value of its digit the form the number is said to be expanded form okay children are you clear yes okay now you write another one number okay so listen carefully don't look here and there okay Okay, now you say the number. First of all, you read it. Before reading, separate by the numbers with periods. Okay, 1, 10, 100 after 1 comma, 1000, 10,000. So now you read the number 15,289. 15,289. So now you write in expanded form 15,289. So expanded form means sum of the place value of its digit. Okay, ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட place value add பண்ணி எழுதுறதா நம்ம என்னது எழுதுவோம், expanded formல எழுதுவோம். Okay, so first you start this one. So what is the place value of this one? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so 1, 10,000. 1, 10,000. Okay, children, what is the place value of this one? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 1, 10,000 plus next digit 5. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1000. So 5,000. Okay, 5,000 plus next. What is the place value of next digit? 2. 200s. 200s. Okay, plus next. What is the place value of next digit? 8. 8 ones. Sorry, 8 tens. 8 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, so the expanded form means as a sum of the place value of each digit. That form of the number is said to be expanded form. Okay, the sum of the place value of its digit. ஒரு டிஜிட்டோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவோட சம்மு தான் நம்ம என்னது எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம். ஸோ 1, 10,000, 5,000, 200s, 8 tens plus 9 ones. ஸோ இதோட எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம் என்ன? 1, 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 200s plus 8 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, now another way. This is one form. This is in write in words. Okay, suppose another form. 1, 10,000 meaning 1 into 10,000. So 1 into 10,000. So 10,000. Okay, 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So this is the second form. நம்ம expanded formல எப்படி எழுதலாம்? இப்படி எழுதலாம். இது நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுறது? வேர்ட்ல எழுதுறது. ஓகே, சோ இந்த வேர்டோட மீனிங் என்ன? 1 into 10,000. 1ஐயும் 10,000ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா உனக்கு என்ன வரும்? 1 10,000. Next is 5 into 1,000. So 5 into 1,000 is equal to 5,000 plus 2 into 100 is equal to, your answer is 200 plus 8 into 10 is equal to 80 plus 9 into 1 is equal to 9 ones. Okay, this is the another form. Next, one more form is there. 1 10,000 means your answer is in words. Suppose you write in numerals means how do you write? 1 10,000. 1 into 10,000, 10,000. Okay, 1 into 10,000 means your answer is 10,000 plus, now you multiply. Okay, this is one digit, this is one digit. Okay, children, 1 into 10,000 means 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 means 5,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 8 into 10, 8 tens are 80 plus 9 into 1, 9 1 is 9. So your answer is 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 9. Okay, so then we write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit. That form of the number is said to be a expanded form. Okay, so expanded form நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? We can expand the above number in 3 different ways. 3 different ways நம்ம எழுதலாம். We can expand the 15,289 in 3 different way. Okay, first way, this is the second way, this is the third way. Okay, children, so நம்ம இதுல எது எழுதினாலும் நமக்கு கரெக்ட் தான். ஓகே நம்ம 3 மெத்தட்ஸ்ல அதை எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னது வேர்ட்ஸ்ல எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்றது. அப்புறம் என்ன செய்வோம் அந்த 10,000க்கு நம்ம என்ன போடுறோம் numerals போடுறோம். So that's why 1 into 10,000. So that's why 1 into 10,000 plus 5,000 means 5 into 1,000. 200 means 2 into 100 plus 8 tens means 8 into 10 plus 9 ones means 9 into 1. Next you multiplied. 1 into 10,000. What is the answer? 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000, 5,000. 2 into 100, 200 plus 8 into 10, 80 plus 9 into 1, 9. Okay. So we can write this number 15,289 in 3 different ways. Okay. This is first way, this is the second way, this is the third way. Okay children, are you clear? Okay. Now one more example. Okay. Don't look here and there. Okay. So look at the board. Listen carefully. Okay, the number is 25,835. 25,835. Now you write in expounded form 3 different ways. Okay, so first way. You write in first way. What is the place value? First digit is 2. Okay. So now you put the place value of 2. What is the place value of this 2? 2 ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. 2 10,000s. So 2 10,000s. Plus next digit. What is the next digit? 5. Okay. So what is the place value of this 5? 1, tens, 100, 1,000. So 5,000. Plus next 8. 1, tens, 100. So 800s. Plus next what is the place value of 3? 3 tens. Okay. So 3 tens plus 5 ones. 5 ones. So our expanded form is 2 10,000s plus 5,000 plus 800s plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. Then now you come to the second way. 10,000. So 2 into 10,000. Okay. 2 into 10,000. Okay, plus 5,000 means can be written as 5 into 1,000. 2 10,000 can be written as 2 into 10,000 plus 5,000 can be written as 5 into 1,000 plus 800 means 8 into 100 plus 3 tens. So 3 into tens plus 5 ones. So it can be written as 5 into 1. This is the second way. Okay. We can expand the number in 3 different ways. Okay. In first way, this is the second way. Now you come to the third way. How do you write? Say 2 into 10,000. The place value is in words. You write in numerals. Okay. So 2 into 10,000. 20,000. First you put the number first digit 2, then you count the 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits, empty digit. Okay. So you put that digit 0. So that's why 2 40, your answer is 20,000. Next you come to the next digit 5. Okay, so 5 you count the digit 1 2 3, remaining 3 places, hundreds places zeros, that's why 5 into 1000, your answer is 5,000. Plus next digit is 8. Okay, so plus 8, remaining how many digits are there? Ones place and tens place, so that place you put 0, so that's why 8 into 100, 800, plus ones tens, so 3 into 10. Okay, so 3 3 into 10, 30 plus the last digit ones place, that is 5. So your expanded form is here, okay? Then third way. So first way, second way, third way. Okay children? So we can expand of the number 25,835 in 3 different ways. First one, 2 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. Next is 10,000 meaning is write in words. Sorry, this is the words you write in numerals. Okay, 10,000. So 10,000. 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. The another way is 2 10,000 is in words. You write in numerals. 2 10,000. 2 into 10,000 is equal to 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 5. Okay children? First digit 2 edutittu how many digits irukku? 1 2 3 4 digits irukku. So 4 digit ku nama enna cheyanum? 4 0. Next 5. So how many digits remaining? 1 2 3 3 digits. So you put 3 0. Okay, plus 8. So remaining 5 digits. So you put 2 0. So that's why 800. Next you take 3. So only one digit is ones place. So you put that place is 0. So your answer is 30 plus 5. There is no place. So that's why this is the last place. That is ones place. So your answer is only 5. So your answer is 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 5. Okay children, we add this all. What is the answer? 25,835 only will come. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now all of you take your classwork note. Now all of you take your classwork note. Okay, take it. Take your classwork note. Okay, I hope you have taken. Now write today's day and date. Okay, write today's day and date and continue your writing. Okay children, don't leave any page. You continue your writing. Start the question. Okay, first question. Start the first question. Write the expanded form. Write the expanded form in 3 different ways. In 3 Okay, write the question. Write the expanded form in 3 different ways. All of you take your classwork children and write today's day and date. Okay, and don't leave any page. Continue your writing and write the first question. Okay, write the expanded form in 3 different ways. Finish? Okay, now you write the number in first question, first one. Okay, your number is 56,925. Okay, so all children listen carefully, stop writing. Okay, then afterwards I will give the time. That time you can write. Okay, now write the expanded form in 3 different ways. Listen carefully children. Your first question, 56,925. In your question have no comma. Yes or no? So you only mark the periods. Okay, so 56,925. So you now mark the periods. Your first period, ones period. Ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, that is ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100 after you put 1 comma. Okay, so this is the thousands period. Now you read the number 56,925. Your number is 56,925. Okay. Now you write in exponent form. Your question is, what is the question? Write the exponent form in 3 different ways. Okay. So first form, you write first form. This is first. Okay. Right. What is the first form? Otherwise we put equal sign. That's no problem. Okay. Is in words form. Okay. First of all, you write in words. Okay, children. So, first digit is 5. What is the place value of this 5? Your exponent form. When we write a number as a sum of the place values of its digit. Okay. Sum of the place values of its digit. That form of the number is said to be the exponent form. Okay. So, the place value of its digit. So 5. First number is 5. What is the place value of this 5? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 5, 10,000s. Okay. So ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட்டோட place value add பண்ணி எழுதுறதா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Exponent form. Okay. So first digit is 5. So what is the place value of this 5? 5, 10,000. Next, plus next digit is 6. Okay. So what is the place value of this 6? 6, 1 tens 100. Sorry, 1 tens 100,000. The place value of 6 is 6,000. Okay. 6,000 plus 1 tens 100. Next digit is 9. The place value of 9 is 900s. 900s plus next I have no space, so I write in second line. Okay. Suppose in your note have that space means you write it one line. Okay, children. Now next digit is 5 finished, 6 finished, 9 also finished. Now you come to this digit. Okay, that is 2. What is the position of this 2? 1's tens. So 2 tens plus 5 ones. Okay. This is first way. Now write the second way. 5 into 5 10,000s means 5 into multiplication. 5 ஐயோ 10,000 ஐ multiply பண்ணா உனக்கு என்ன வரும்? 5 10,000. So that's why 5 10,000s can be written as 5 into 10,000. Okay. 10,000. This is first digit for 5. Next 6. 6,000. So 6,000 can be written as 6 into 1,000 plus next 900. So 9 into 100 plus 2 tens. 2 tens can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5 can be written as 5 into 5 ones. That's why 5 into 1. Okay, children. 5 10,000 mean 5 into 10,000 plus 6,000s can be written as 6 into thousands. 900s can be written as 9 into 100. 2 tens can be written as 2 into 10. 5 ones can be written as 5 into 1. Okay. This is the second way. Okay, children. Now you come to the third way. Is in words. So now you write in numerals, numbers. Okay. So what is the place value of 5? 1, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So place value of 5 is 50,000. 50,000. Okay. Plus next, what is the place value of 6? 1, tens, 100, 1,000. So the place value of 6 is 6,000. Plus what is the place value of 9? 1 tens 100. So the place value of 9 is 900 plus what is the place value of 2? 2 tens. That's why 20 plus what is the place value of 5? 5 ones. Okay. So 5 ones, 5 into 1, 5. Your value is 5. Okay, children. So your answer is 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 56,925. Okay, children. Are you clear? Do you understand? Okay. Now you start your writing. Okay. Continue your writing. Write fast. Write without mistakes. Okay. Write it clearly. You write the question. The question is, write the expounded form in 3 different ways. So first question. In first question, 56,925. So you write it. The place value of its digit. Okay. So first digit is 5. So the place value of 5 is 5 10,000s plus the place value of 6 is 6,000s. The place value of 9 is 900s plus the place value of 2 is 2 tens plus the place value of 5 is 5 ones. Okay. Now 10,000s, 5 10,000s can be written as 5 into 10,000 plus 6,000s can be written as 6 into thousands plus 900s can be written as 9 into 100 plus 2 tens can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5 ones can be written as 5 into 1. Okay, 5 into 1. So next, third way, you write it. Okay. So we can expound the number 56,925 in 3 different ways. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Write it fast, children. Write without mistakes. Okay. Write with your good handwriting. Okay, write fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay. Now you come to the second question. The question is, your question is 10,328. Okay. So first of all, you mark the periods. Your period, first periods, that's a ones period. Ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, that is ones, tens, hundred. So you 100 after you put 1 comma. So your number is 10,328. Okay, now you write in expounded form in 3 different ways. So first way, writing is in words. Okay, children. So what is the first digit? 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So the place value of 1 is 1, 10,000. Plus next your digit is 0. Okay, your digit is 0. The places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, உன்னோட short formல 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை expanded formல நம்ம என்ன பண்ண வேண்டாம், represent பண்ண வேண்டாம், அதை அப்படியே விட்டுடலாம். Okay, why? What is the place value of 0? 0,000. Your number is in 0 only. Okay, children, the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, so now you leave it 0, you come to the next digit, that is 3. Okay, so what is the place value of 3? 1, tens, hundreds. Okay, 3 hundreds plus short formல இருக்குதா expanded formல தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய கூடாது, represent பண்ண கூடாது. ஆனா expanded formல இருக்குற short formல எழுதும்போது நம்ம கண்டிப்பா 0வை represent பண்ணணும். Okay, so that is don't forget. So 110,000 plus 0, so that's why not represent in the expanded form. Next digit is 3. So what is the place value of 3? 1, tens, 100, 300s. Okay, so now you come to the next digit 2. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens. Okay, 2 tens. 2 tens plus next 8. Next digit is 8. The place value of 8 is 8 ones. 8 ones. Okay, so your expanded form is 1, 10,000 plus 0 plus, say children, 1, 10,000 plus 0 plus 300s plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. Okay, this is the first way. Now you come to the second way. 1, 10,000 meaning 1 into 10,000. Okay, so 1, 10,000 can be written as 1 into 10,000 plus 300s. So 300s can be written as 3 into 100 plus 2 tens. 2 tens can be written as 2 into 10 plus 8 ones can be written as 8 into 1. Okay, 1 and 10 multiply பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வந்துரும்? 1, 10,000. 3 into 100, 300s. 2 into 10, 2 tens. 8 into 1, 8 ones. Okay, this is the second way. Now you come to the third way. Third way, 1 into 10,000 mean 1 into 10,000. 10,000 ஒன்னையும் multiply பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? Your answer is 10,000. 1 into 10,000, your answer is 10,000. Otherwise, you see the place value of first digit. Okay, what is the place value of this one? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 1, 10,000 or 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 plus this is 0. Your thousands place is 0. Okay, so the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay, so that's why you leave it this 0. Next you come to 3. What is the place value of 3? 1, tens, 100, 300s. So 300 is equal to 3 into 100, 300. Okay, so the place value of 3 is 300 plus 1 tens 2. Okay, what is the place value of 2? 20. Okay, 2 tens 20. Now 8 ones 8. Okay, children, so your answer is 10,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8 is equal to your answer is 10,328. Okay, are you clear? Do you understand? Okay, now you continue your writing. Second one, write it fast, write it in your classwork note, okay? 10,328. You write in expanded form in 3 different ways. First way, 1 10,000 plus 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 8 ones equal to next way. Then after you write the third way. Okay children? I hope you understood. Yes? Okay. Write fast now. Write fast children, same time, write without mistakes, okay? Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the third question. Third one, okay? So your number is given. So first of all you mark the periods, okay? Your question have no commas. So you mark the periods, okay? First period is ones period. So ones period consists of 3 places, okay? 1, tens, 100. Then after thousands period consists of 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. Then after lakhs period, okay? Now you read the number. This is lakh period, this is thousands period, this is ones period, okay? So 8 lakh, thousands period 0. So that leave the period. So 8,320. Your number is 8 lakh 320. Okay. Now you write in expanded form in 3 different ways. Okay. First way, you write is in words. Okay. So what is the place value of 8? 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 8 lakh. Okay. So your place value of 8 is 8 lakhs. Plus here 10,000 period is, thousands period 0. That is 10,000 place is 0. 1000 place is 0. Okay. So the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form. Okay. So that's why you leave the thousands period. So 8 lakh, this is 0, leave it. This place also 0, leave it. Next you come to this place, this digit. So which number is there? 3. So what is the place value of 3? 1, tens, 100. Okay. So your place value of 3 is 3 hundreds. Plus, next, you come to the next digit, 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 tens. Okay. 2 tens. Plus, next 0. So that's why 0. So don't write. Okay. So not represented in the expanded form. Okay children. So your answer is 8 lakh 320. What is the expanded form? 8 lakhs plus 300 plus 2 tens. Okay, children? 8 lakhs plus 300 plus 2 tens. This is the first way. Now you come to the second way. 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs means 8 into 1 lakh. Sorry, 8 into 1 lakh is equal to 8 lakhs. So 1 lakh, how we will write? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. Okay, so 8 into 1 lakh is equal to 8 lakhs plus 3 into 100 is equal to, your answer is 300 plus 2 into 10 is equal to, your answer is 2 tens. Okay, so this is the second way. Now we come to the third way. Okay, so 8 lakhs. So 8, first digit, what is the place value? 8 lakhs. So now you see, what is the place value is in numerals, okay? 8, then you count the remaining digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put 5 zeros. So 1 lakh has how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 8 lakh. Okay, so 8 lakh plus 0. So leave it. Next, thousands place 0, leave it. Next you come to 3. So what is the place value of 3? 300. 300 plus 2. 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Okay, 20. Now you come to the ones place 0. So that's why your answer is 8 lakh plus 300 plus 20. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay. Now you write it in your classwork note. Third question. Already 2 questions are finished. Now you come to third one. Okay. Write it in your classwork note. Okay. 8 lakh 320. Write fast. Okay, children, write it fast. Write without mistakes, okay? Here in between the number zeros are there, okay? So, the places which have the digit 0 in the short form are not represented in the expanded form, okay? So, that is don't forget, okay, children? Write fast, children. I hope you have written. This is third one, okay? I hope you have written. Now the next sum, fourth one. Fourth one. Okay, your number is in given. So now you mark the periods, okay? Listen, children, first periods are ones period, okay? So ones period consists of 3 places, 1, tens, 100 after 1 comma. Next thousands period. So thousands period consists of 2 places, you put another 1 comma. 2 places after, you put another 1 comma. Now you read the number. This is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period, okay? So your number is, how do you read this? 90 lakh 9,009, okay? 90 lakh 9,009, okay? Now you write in expanded form in first way. This is what is the place value of this 9? 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 9, 10 lakhs. Okay, plus 9, 10 lakhs plus here lakhs place is 0. Okay, so not represented in the expanded form. Okay, children, so leave it. Next you come 10,000 place is 0, so leave it. Next you come this place 9. So what is the place value of this 9? 9,000. Okay, 9,000 plus next you come 100 place is 0, 10 place is 0, only one place, that is 9. So 9 ones is equal to 9 ones. Okay, 9 ones. 9 ones. Okay, children, do you understand? நம்மளுக்கு பாரு இடையில உள்ள பிளேசஸ்ல ரொம்ப பிளேஸ்ல 0 இருக்கு. 0வை நம்ம எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம்ல ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட் இதோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ எழுது. இதோட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ என்ன? இந்த 9ஓட பிளேஸ் வேல்யூ 9, 10 lakhs. அடுத்தது இந்த பிளேஸ் 0, ஸோ விட்டுறலாம். அடுத்தது 0 விட்டுரு. Next place this 9. So இதோட place value என்ன? 1 tens, 100, 1000. So that's why plus 9,000 plus 100 place is 0, 10's place is 0, next place 9 ones. So your answer is 9, 10 lakhs plus 9,000 plus 9 ones. Okay, are you clear? Yes. Now you come. Second way. How to write in the second way in expanded form? 9, 10 lakhs means 9 into 10 lakhs. Okay, so 10 lakh if you don't know mean, then you count the digit. Okay, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60. So 10 lakh has how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay, 9 into 10 lakh. 9 into 10 lakh is equal to 9, 10 lakhs plus 9,000. So 9 into 1000, 9 into 1000 plus 9 ones. So 9 into 1. 9 ones means 9 into 1. Okay, உனக்கு 10 lakh எழுத எனக்கு 0 எனக்கு தெரியல அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? இங்க டிஜிட்டை கவுண்ட் பண்ணு. 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 1 into 10 lakh. அப்போ remaining எத்தனை digits இருக்கு? 6 digit. அப்போ 60. அப்போ 10 lakh எத்தனை 0? 60. Okay, children, so that's why 9 into 10 lakh, 9, 10 lakhs. Okay, now you write in third way. So what is the place value of 9? 9, 10 lakhs. So 9 remaining digits are 6 digit. Okay, so you put 60. So 9, 10 lakh. Okay, 9, 10 lakh is equal to 90 lakh plus 9,000. 9 into 1000 or 9,000, anything. Okay, so 9,000 plus 0, 0. Now you come to the one place 9. Okay, so your answer is 90 lakh plus 9,000 plus 9 is equal to, your answer is 90 lakh 9,009. Okay, children, do you understand? It's so simple. Okay, ஆனால் ஞாபகமாக கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்து எழுதணும். ஓகே, பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவை ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுக்கணும். பிளேஸ் வேல்யூவோட சமேஷன் தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? எக்ஸ்பெண்டட் ஃபார்ம். ஓகே, சில்ட்ரன், நவ் யூ ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் யுவர் ரைட்டிங். Already third in expanded form questions, third finish. Now you come to fourth one. Okay, write it fast. Fourth one, write fast. So 9, 10 lakhs plus 9,000 plus 9 ones. So your answer is 90 lakh 9,009. Write fast and write without mistakes. Okay, write clearly. Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the homework sums, okay? Now you come to the homework sums. All of you take your book, page number 14. So your homework. Page number 14. In question number 6. Question number 6. Page number 14. Question number 6. You mark the question. A, D, A, D, F and G. Okay children, so your homework, page number 14. All of you take your book, mark the homework questions. Page number 14, question number 6. Page number 14, question number 6. Mark the question A, D, F and G. Okay. Do in homework note. Okay children. So your homework is page number 14 in question number 6. A, D, F and G. Okay. Do in your homework note. Okay children, we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.